Thank you, Mark. Al, your very first finals experience, what did you think?
A lot of fun. God put me in this position. I'm very grateful to him, and for me it was just to come out here and just enjoy this moment.
You guys were down 12 going into the fourth quarter. What changed in the fourth quarter?
The group that started the fourth quarter, I think, did a great job setting the tone. Jalen attacking, Rob got a lob dunk, and that just kind of got us going. And from that point on, we felt like we're going to stay solid, continue to fight, and that's what we did.
What about you and your game personally? You had 6 threes in the game. What was your mindset going down the stretch, knowing that maybe this wouldn't be Jason Tatum's night offensively?
Just playing the game. I always try to play the game the right way, making sure that I'm finding opportunities wherever I can, and just staying shot ready. And my guys found me tonight, and I knocked them down.
They often call it like stealing one on the road, but you guys are 8-2 in these playoffs on the road. So what's the plan for stealing another one on Sunday?
Well, definitely, obviously, good that we won this one and get some rest and prepare for Sunday. These guys are really good here at home, so we know that we have our hands full.
Thank you, Al. Congratulations.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.